A vessel starts full of pure milk. You draw some out, replace it with water, and do that again. How much pure milk is left? That is repeated replacement, same vessel volume, same draw each time, and the pure amount shrinks by a fixed fraction every cycle. SSC CGL Quant loves this trap, and today you will leave able to write the retention factor, raise it to n, and refuse the tempting subtract x-twice shortcut. Before calculating, separate what stays fixed from what changes. Vessel volume V is fixed. The pure milk left changes every cycle, and that decides whether you multiply by a retention factor or wrongly subtract liters of pure milk. Watch the first move. You remove x liters from a full vessel of volume V, so the fraction that stays is 1 minus x over V. That fraction multiplies whatever pure liquid is currently in the vessel. After one draw and replace, pure left is V times that factor. Now carry that idea forward. Pure left equals V times 1 minus x over V to the power, and the same factor applies whether the liquid is milk, acid, or spirit. Each identical replacement multiplies the remaining pure amount by that same fraction again. Here is the decision rule. The exam may ask for the pure amount left, that is the full expression with the V in front, or for the concentration as a fraction of the original, which is just the power of the retention factor. Both sit in that one expression. Read the stem before you punch numbers. Set V, X, N, and the retention factor for the twice replaced milk vessel. Factor equals 1 minus 8 over 40 equals 4 over 5. Pure milk left after two replacements is 25.6 L factor equals 1 minus 8 over 40, so 4 over 5. After first replacement. 40 times 4 over 5, so 32 L after second. 32 times 4 over 5, so 25.6 L, or directly 40 times, 4 over 5, squared equals 40 times 16 over 25, so 25.6 L. 25.6 L pure milk remains. The trap: do not treat every draw as pure milk after the first replacement. The later draws remove mixture. The exam trap is simple. Subtracting 8 liters of milk twice gives 24 liters and is wrong after the first replacement. The second draw is 8 liters of an 80% mixture, not 8 liters of pure milk. Keep 25.6, not 24. A 50-liter vessel full of milk has 10 liters replaced with water twice. Pure milk left is. The answer is 32 L, because 50, 1 minus 10 over 50, squared equals 50 times 4 over 5, squared equals 50 times 16 over 25 equals 32. 30 L is removed 10 twice from 50. 40 L is only one replacement. You can now recognize repeated replacement, write the retention factor, raise it to n, and check whether the stem wants pure amount or concentration. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the 3-ingredient and alligation follow-ups land in your feed. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill mixtures and alligation while this is fresh.